Acne on the back usually involves red papules, pustules, cysts, nodules, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, or scarring on the back. When mild, this can be easily remedied at home with over-the-counter treatments. When severe or moderately severe, it's best to see a board-certified dermatologist for appropriate management and treatment. If you want to treat acne at home, I have a few tips and tricks for you to try. The first and most important thing is good skin care and good skin hygiene. I recommend that when you go to the gym, you wear loose-fitting clothing that does not sit too tight on your back.